All right, in this video we are going to talk about one of my favorite hip flexor exercises. We're going to sit in what we call long sitting. Basically going to sit on the table with your legs straight out in front of you. Okay, you want a kettlebell or something? A water bottle will be fine, a dumbbell, anything you have that can sit on that table or the ground. You should definitely do this one on the ground. Okay? And what you're going to do, you get that kettlebell set up there. Okay, and you're going to sit up tall. You're going to lift that leg and bring it over the kettlebell. Up and over. Okay? You don't want to lean back. You want to sit up nice and straight. You're going to come up and over. Up and over. You want to sit as straight as you can. Okay, and then you can do it with the other leg. Up and over. Up and over. Okay? You can start with something small. Maybe even just try a piece of paper and go ahead and give that a try, and then gradually build up the height. And if you want to put two in a row, you can do it like this. You can sit one leg down, go sit up tall, up and over the second object, and then back over both of them. All right, if you have any questions, comment below. We look forward to hearing from you. You can always check us out, bodyfixpt.com. And good luck with this one. It's a really good one for you. And take care.